Apple has just introduced a design upgrade that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, and it's called Liquid Glass. This new feature, revealed at the 2025 Worldwide Developers Conference, is aimed at giving Apple devices a visually stunning transformation while keeping the interface familiar and easy to use. Essentially, liquid glass is a translucent material that reflects and refracts surroundings in a subtle, glass-like way, making every interaction feel more immersive. It isn't just about looking pretty, it's meant to help users focus on content, adding depth to buttons, sliders, switches, text, and media controls. From the lock screen to the home screen, and even the desktop and dock on Mac, Liquid Glass is designed to make every interaction smoother, more visually engaging, and more aesthetically pleasing for anyone using iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watches, and even Apple TVs. What sets Liquid Glass apart is its dynamic adaptability and attention to detail. Small elements like buttons, switches, sliders, text, and media controls now subtly respond to user interactions, reflecting the environment behind them while emphasizing the content in front. Larger interface elements like sidebars, tab bars, and navigation menus also adopt the material, giving apps a fresh modern look without altering how users interact with them. Apple describes it as a feature that brings greater focus to content by visually separating important information from the background. The design works consistently across apps and system interfaces, making your device feel more lively and elegant. Whether scrolling through messages, checking notifications, or adjusting settings, Liquid Glass ensures that interactions are visually smoother, content stands out naturally, and the overall experience feels cohesive across Apple's ecosystem. Getting Liquid Glass is simple for Apple users who want to experience this visual upgrade. The feature launched on September 15, 2025, and is included in the latest versions of iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Users just need to update their devices to the newest compatible software, and the new translucent effects automatically appear in system experiences, such as the lock screen, home screen, notifications, control center, dock, and desktop interfaces. Apple designed the update to be seamless, so users don't need to change how they use their devices or learn a new interface. Once installed, the system feels instantly familiar, while the visual design is noticeably more polished. Even longtime Apple users will notice the subtle depth, reflection, and translucency across apps, making devices feel modern, fresh, and dynamic without interfering with daily use or workflows. Liquid Glass doesn't just enhance system interfaces. It also allows app developers to integrate the material into their own applications. This means media controls, menus, and interactive elements can subtly highlight important content while making background elements visually recede. For example, video or music apps can emphasize currently active controls while keeping other elements unobtrusive, creating a more organized and elegant interface. This consistency extends across the Apple ecosystem, so users navigating an iPad, iPhone, or Mac desktop experience the same depth and visual cohesion. Apple calls it beautifully expressive, aiming to provide functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. Developers can use Liquid Glass to make apps feel more alive, intuitive, and visually integrated with the operating system, which could lead to new ways of designing content that feel immersive and natural. In summary, Liquid Glass represents more than just a visual redesign. It's a new philosophy for Apple interfaces. By combining translucency, reflection, and adaptive responsiveness, the feature improves both aesthetics and usability, enhancing how users interact with every device. From small, everyday interactions, like toggling a switch or scrolling through a feed, to larger system experiences like the home screen or desktop, Liquid Glass adds depth and clarity. Apple has made it accessible across multiple platforms, ensuring a cohesive experience for all users. Whether you're a casual user or a professional relying on Apple devices for work, this update provides a fresh, elegant, and visually satisfying interface. With Liquid Glass, Apple continues to push the boundaries of design, showing that even subtle changes can dramatically improve the user experience across its ecosystem.